How to transfer money to DEGIRO account. Here are steps to transfer money to your DEGIRO account. Firstly, log in using your credentials on DEGIRO.com or the DEGIRO mobile app. Then look at the top right of the dashboard and tap menu icon. Choose the deposit or withdraw option from the menu. Select the deposit tab to begin a transfer. Pick manual bank transfer or SEPA transfer for euro-based accounts. Copy the provided IBAN, BIC, account name, and reference code, then log into your online banking app or website. Choose to send money via bank transfer, paste the IBAN, BIC, and account holder name from DEGIRO, input the amount, and include your DEGIRO username or reference in the description. Submit the payment. Make sure it's sent from your linked bank account only. Wait 1 business day. Check your DEGIRO balance to confirm. Thanks for watching.